Luke.
Ding. Ding. You want some help?
Lift him up, bub. Yeah. I think he wants to see these little, like, lift up things. Whoa. What is it?
Chickens.
What?
Chickens.
Yeah, deer.
Chickens.
Yeah.
Chickens.
Not chickens, deer.
Chickens.
Okay.
Look at Mom.
Hi, bub.